Hey guys, Dyer. This is my first attempt at the Operation MA Demolition Elite. Now if you watch my poll video, you know that I have a pretty niche team here. Let me see who I'm gonna use. I think I'll use Mr. Too Cool. And as you can see, I have the queens there for the maximum bonus currency. I'm hoping to run into the Nimbus, and then we can get an interesting fight going on. Normally these farming events for Mod King, they're not that hard, so there's no real need to use a balanced team. Sorry about the loading here. I don't know what it's doing. See what happens. Let me pause this. Sorry about that, guys. It took a while to load. So make quick work of these guys. I will fulfill my duty, because we are not monsters like you. Alright. The Vermilion Bird. If they're here, that means I will destroy your enemies. In this machine number 277, the Brionac. Let's just do Devastate. Oh yeah. Look at that chain action. This is crazy. It's beautiful to watch. My duty has been fulfilled, retreating. hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty cool. Too bad I didn't get the Nimbus, but when I do, I will post a video. Don't forget to, you guys can add me on Facebook if you want to use my Queen friend unit. Like, subscribe, comment, share the video. I appreciate it. And you can find me on Facebook, Christopher David Bass. So, this loading screen's taking some time. I'm not sure what's going on here. I'll pause it and come back after sorry about that. It took forever to load, so I'm back now to just finish it up for you guys. Alright, that's how much Phantoma you would get if you had 600% units. Alright guys, don't forget to add me. Take it easy. And good luck.